Hello to everyone. In this video, let us discuss chlorine preparation and properties. So let us see here. For the first time, chlorine was prepared by Meissen. By which reaction here? By the oxidation of HCl with MnO2, Meissen for the first time prepared which one? Chlorine. So see that reaction here. HCl when treated with or when oxidized with MnO2, what we can get here? MnCl2 plus H2O plus Cl2. So let us consider 4 mole of HCl. We get to 2 moles of H2O. So this is the preparation method of chlorine by the oxidation of HCl with which one? MnO2. And another method also there, that is Deccan's method. In this method, what is they used here? Again, HCl is subjected to oxidation in presence of cupric chloride catalyst. So now what we can get here? H2O plus Cl2. To get this, balance this equation, what we have to do here? Write 2H2O and here 4HCl, we get 2Cl2. So these are the two laboratory methods for the preparation of chlorine. And another method is there. What is that? That is which one? Electrolysis of brine solution, Nelson cell method. So let us see what is the Nelson cell method or electrolysis of brine solution. What is brine first? That 10% NaCl is known as brine solution, and by the electrolysis of brine in Nelson cell method, we can get which one? Chlorine. See here, what is that method? Brine solution when subjected to electrolysis, we get Na plus and Cl minus ions. At anode, what is the reaction taking place here? Cl minus undergoes oxidation to give which one? Chlorine. So like that, at anode, in the electrolysis of brine solution, chlorine is obtained. And at cathode, what the reaction takes place? Na plus doesn't undergo reduction. Instead of that, water undergoes reduction to give which one here? OH minus ions. So water undergoes reduction to give which one here? OH minus ions. Na plus and OH minus ions combine together and produces NaOH. So here, what are the byproducts of Nelson cell method? When we are getting chlorine as a major product, means then byproducts are which one? H2 and NaOH are byproducts in the preparation of chlorine using Nelson cell method. So these are the methods of preparation for which one? Chlorine. And let us see some physical and chemical properties of chlorine here. Chlorine is greenish yellow colored gas. Chlorine is which colored? Means greenish yellow colored gas. And here chlorine when treated with water, we get HCl and HOCl. This HOCl undergoes that dissociation to give nascent oxygen, and when colored substances now treated with this nascent oxygen, they become colorless. So this action is called which one? Bleaching action. So chlorine in presence of moisture or in presence of water act as a bleaching agent by which property? Means oxidation property. Okay, then reaction of chlorine with metals. One important thing here, always chlorine will give high oxidation products with metals. That means iron plus chlorine we can get ferric chloride, not ferrous chloride. Similarly, copper plus chlorine, what we can get cupric chloride but not cuprous chloride. We get cupric chloride but not cuprous chloride. So like that, chlorine always will give high oxidation products with metals and with non-metals, except with nitrogen, oxygen and noble gases. With all non-metals, chlorine react at ordinary temperatures. Here, due to the triple bond and due to the double bond and due to inert gas configuration, these three non-metals do not react with chlorine, except with these three remaining all non-metals, chlorine will give the products. Okay, that is the reaction of chlorine with which one non-metals. Okay, then chlorine when treated with slaked lime, what we can get means bleaching powder. CaOH taken twice plus chlorine, one can get CaOCl2 plus H2O. CaOCl2 is known as bleaching powder, and chlorine will give addition product with some compounds. What are those? CO plus Cl2, COCl2. This is phosgene or carbonyl chloride. It is a poisonous gas. And 2NO plus Cl2, we get 2NOCl, and SO2 plus Cl2, sulfuryl chloride. So these are the addition products of which one? Chlorine. So these are some important reactions of chlorine. Of course, some reactions we have discussed in our previous video. You can check in that. Okay, then uses of chlorine. So chlorine, first important use is chlorine used in the purification of water. And another one, it is used in the preparation of poisonous gases like phosgene and mustard gas. What is the formula of mustard gas here? Sulfur, CH2, CH2, Cl taken twice. So di-2-chloroethyl sulfide is known as mustard gas, and also it is used in the preparation of which one? Tear gas. What is the formula of tear gas? CCl3NO2, nitrochloroform. So in the preparation of that bleaching powder also we can use the chlorine, and also in the preparation of poisonous gases like phosgene, mustard gas and tear gas we can use which one? Means chlorine. So, and chlorine is also used in the extraction of gold. In the extraction of gold also we can use which one? Chlorine. So these are the uses of which one? Means chlorine. Okay, then after that our next one is here HCl, hydrogen chloride. So how to prepare hydrogen chloride? Let us see here. When NaCl treated with concentrated sulfuric acid, what we can get here? HCl plus NaHSO4. When this NaHSO4 again treated with NaCl, what we can get again? HCl plus Na2SO4. So like this, HCl prepared by the reaction of NaCl with concentrated sulfuric acid, and HCl is dried over concentrated sulfuric acid. HCl is dried over on which one? Means concentrated sulfuric acid, and P4O10 cannot be used for drying purpose of HCl because it give addition compound with P4O10. Okay, then after that let us see the properties of which one? Hydrogen chloride. So hydrogen chloride at room temperature, actually it is a gas having which one means acidic taste. That means having acidic nature. It exists as a gas at room temperature. And what are the chemical properties of HCl means? This decomposes, HCl decomposes which one? Salts of weaker acids. That means here sodium carbonate, that means carbonates, bicarbonates, sulfites, sulfates, like that compounds of weak acids are dissociated by HCl. So one example here, Na2CO3 plus HCl, what are the products we can get? 2NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. So like that here HCl decomposes compounds of which one? Weaker acids. So this is regarding which one here? Hydrochloric acid, HCl. And one important thing here, that 3 parts of HCl and 1 part of HNO3. This mixture is called aquargia. This mixture is called aquargia, and due to the formation of reactive species NOCl, even noble metals also soluble in which one? Means in that aquargia. Even noble metals also soluble in aquargia. Okay, then after that which one here? Then next topic, oxy acids of halogen, that means chlorine. Oxy acids of chlorine. Chlorine has 4 different type of oxy acids. What are those? First one, hypochlorous acid, HOCl, hypochlorous acid. So in this what we have to learn here? What is the hybridization of chlorine? So chlorine undergoes sp3 hybridization in ground state, and this can be written as which one? ClO minus, known as hypochlorite ion, and this is having linear structure and 3 lone pair of electrons are present. We know that halogens in ground state configuration contain 1 unpaired electron, 3 lone pair of electrons. So here, as that chlorine undergoing sp3 hybridization in ground state, now this chlorine is having 3 lone pair of electrons, and what is the structure? Means linear structure. Okay, then after that second one is which one? HClO2. HClO2 means, what is its name here? Chlorous acid. Just we have to remove hypo, and it is also known as, that ion is known as ClO2 minus chlorite ion. But here also chlorine undergoes sp3 hybridization, but a small change in its first excited state. Chlorine undergoes sp3 hybridization. So now here its structure we can draw like this: Cl double bond O and O minus. And in the first excited state, chlorine is having 2 lone pair of electrons. That means similar to water, similar to H2O. Here chlorine also undergoing sp3 hybridization having 2 lone pair of electrons. That means here similar to H2O, it is also having angular shape, and here this pi bond is formed in between p pi, and that means p orbital and d orbital. P orbital of oxygen to d orbital of chlorine. So this pi bond is known as p pi dash d pi bond. So chlorous acid is having two lone pair of electrons and one p pi dash d pi bond. Okay, then third oxy acid of chlorine is HClO3. This is known as which one means chloric acid. So chloric acid, again in that chlorine undergoes sp3 hybridization but in second excited state, and ClO3 minus ion is known as chlorate ion. What is that name means? Chlorate ion. And we have to draw the structure here. In second excited state, chlorine is having only one lone pair of electron, and double bond O minus we can write here. That means here how many bonds are here means two pi bonds are present. So let us see second excited state configuration of chlorine. So in second excited state, now the electrons present in p orbital excite into which one here? D orbital. Now sp3 hybridization. These three unpaired electrons form three sigma bonds. See here how many sigma bonds? 1, 2 and 3. So these three unpaired electrons forming three sigma bonds, and these two unpaired electrons present in d orbital form which one? Pi bonds. So now in this two d pi dash p pi bonds are present, in which one means chloric acid or in the structure of chlorate ion. And how many lone pairs means? Only one lone pair. And then another one, perchloric acid. Perchloric acid, one important thing is which one? Of course the name is indicating perchloric acid means so many students will that feel that it may have peroxy bond, but no peroxy bond present in perchloric acid. So just its name is given as perchloric acid. There is no peroxy bond. And what is the formula means? HClO4. Now perchloric acid, in this also chlorine undergoes sp3 hybridization but in third excited state. In third excited state, there are no unpaired electrons with chlorine, and it is having tetrahedral geometry, and three d pi dash p pi bonds are present with which one? This perchlorate ion. Among all these, which is having highest acidic nature means perchloric acid. So perchloric acid acidic nature greater than chloric acid, greater than chlorous acid, greater than hypochlorous acid. So that is the order of which one here? Acidic nature. So this is, and another one thing, in all these oxy acids, chlorine undergoes sp3 hybridization. So now let us give the clarity here. In HOCl, same sp3 hybridization, but here three lone pair of electrons and zero number of pi bonds. And in HClO2, again same sp3 hybridization, but only two lone pair of electrons and one p pi dash d pi bond. In HClO3, again sp3 hybridization, but only one lone pair of electron, and here two pi bonds are present. And in HClO4, again sp3 hybridization, and here zero number of lone pairs, and three pi bonds are present. So the questions they may give regarding which one? Hybridization. But in this ground state, here first excited state, here second excited state, here in third excited state. So these are the which one here, oxy acids of chlorine. Okay, right boy.